Hi guys, I am Mel from Mel and Milo and now also Olivia. This channel is meant to inform and entertain and maybe put a smile on your face. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and like and share on your social media so I can spread the words about parrots. Have a wonderful day, morning, evening, weekend, wherever you may be. Thank you.
Okay guys, so Olivia's new cage I felt like was just not up to par. Too dark, too little, it didn't have a proper stand. We had it on a table. And it was, for me, I would think, just too small. So we decided to go get her a new cage. Yay! Now that is much better. Nice and big. Yep. And I'm going to arrange it. So far I'm letting her sit on top so she can get adjusted to the new cage and not be scared and just got stuck in there. Olivia! Olivia, yup, baby. What do you say? Is that a new cage? Is this your new cage? What are you saying? Is that nice? You like it? Say yes, I like it. She's only 4 months old, so she's still a baby. We're practicing talking, but that's probably not going to come until she's at least a year old. She's still babbling right now. So, what do you guys think about this cage? I'm going to try to set it up and I'm going to have a tour of the cage when I'm done, okay? So the first thing I like to do is I assess all the things that I have. This was in the old cage. See how many perches I have, because those are going to be the things I'm going to put up first. Hi, Olivia. And I'm going to try to put most of the perches in one level because she's a baby and she can't quite coordinate her walking yet. And so I'm going to have her get some branches where she can reach nicely. So it's going to be most likely all by the food bowls. We'll see. Okay, so now here's the tour. As you can see, I have tried to focus all of the perches to the center so she is able to grab no matter where she is to something so she doesn't fall down. I have made sure that there's branches or ropes or anything right by her food bowls that I haven't put in yet. Toys are easily accessible. And she has some swinging toys. Swinging. She's got wood. She's got wooden and rope perches. She's got the bell. Now this looks very crowded, but again, she is only 4 months old and she needs to have something to hold on wherever she is. She's not that coordinated yet. But so let me zoom out or step away. As you can see, everything is focused mostly in the middle. The bottom is still empty because she's not climbing all over yet. Okay? She has her little playground thingy on the top that I still have to design and put some stuff on, but other than that, we're done for tonight. It is late and I'm putting her to bed. So let's put her in and see what she thinks. She's like, this is weird. Okay, can you step under that? Okay. Okay, see how she can reach wherever she goes. This is all brand new to her right now. So she's going to be looking around. She found a toy. Close that door. So now you give her a little bit of time to adjust, and then I'll put some food in there. Make sure she finds her water. This has just been a real short video to show you how you should probably set up your cage. Everybody does their own way, but this is a good setup for a baby bird. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like and hit that notification bell. And if you can, please share on your social media. And have a good night, good evening, good morning, wherever wherever you are. Thank you. Bye-bye.